Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the E sound. So, which letters make E? There are two, E and A. Together they make E.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
Here we have a koala who is chewing on a leaf. This is the only thing that they eat. So, which words in that clip had the E sound? There was leaf and eat. Let's practice leaf. Starting with L, E, and F. L, E, F. Leaf. Now let's try eat. Starting with E and T. E, T. Eat. Next up is Neil from New Zealand, who loves to read. His favourite book is James and the Giant Peach. Now, you may have heard read and peach. Let's practice read. R, E, and D. R, E, D. Read. Now let's try peach. P, E, and Ch. P, E, Ch. Peach. Now over to Tegan from Guinea, who is enjoying the heat at the beach. What could we hear this time? There was heat and beach. So, starting with heat. E and T. E, T. Heat. Now on to beach. B, E, and Ch. B, E, Ch. Beach. Oh dear! The robber is trying to sneak in and steal the crown. Now, what were our two words? We had sneak and steal. Starting with sneak. S, N, E, and K. S, N, E, K. Sneak. And finally, let's try steal. E. And L. S. T. E. L. Steal. I hope you enjoyed practicing the E sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!